Okie dokie. So, we have white cranberry cookies on the menu today. Perfect for your holiday get-together or office potluck. All right, let's start with the dry ingredients. In that bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then just give this a stir, make sure it's all mixed together, and set the bowl aside. Okay, now let's get on to, I guess, what's known as the wet ingredients. So I basically have a stick of butter in there that I just softened up by leaving on the counter for like an hour. You want a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and then just hold this down and let the sugar and the butters kind of cream together. Again, just gradually increase the speed. And now that you've kind of got like a paste-like consistency, you want to crack 1 egg into the mix. And get yourself a tablespoon. I know you're not supposed to measure liquids like this, but fuck it. This is how it came out to me. You want a tablespoon of brandy. And then lower it down, lock it in place, and allow this to get incorporated, mixed together, whatever you want to call it. And then slowly start adding your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Just, I don't know, about a quarter at a time. And then just give it enough time to kind of get mixed together. Okay, last two things we're going to add is 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips and a cup of dried cranberries or craisins. And unfortunately, this is where my camera died and I didn't know it. So I'll basically tell you the rest of the steps. Basically, you want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And then roll these into balls about 1 inch big. And, and then bake for 8 to 10 minutes. And when they're done, we should be able to see them. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, these cookies are done. Like I said, about 8 to 10 minutes. Give them a minute to rest on the baking sheet and then cool on a wired rack. All right, that's white chocolate and cranberry cookies. Done.